Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Technologies. So today we are going to learn on how to deploy our React application in Netlify. So let's get started with that. For that we'll need a React project first. So for that I will go in my terminal and create a new React application and React create React app deploy. Sorry, let's do it React deploy Netlify. So this will create our React application. Here we can see that our application has been successfully created. Now I'll go into the particular folder, cd Netlify, and then I'll open this into my VS Code. So I have my application opened in my VS Code. Let's see what we have here. Now I'll run this application. We'll go over here, localhost 3001, and we have our application open and running. I'll go and change something here. Save this, come over here. I'll change this has been implemented. I will go over here and let's see our changes is reflected in the application. Now what we'll do is we'll connect our application with the GitHub. I'll go to the GitHub and I'll create a new repository with the same name, React deploy Netlify, and I'll keep it public. So let's make it private and then create repository. So I have this. I'll just copy these and I'll go to my code and I'll open a new terminal and paste that. And our code has been uploaded to the server. Let's go and check. You can see here our code has been uploaded successfully. So now what will I do is I'll now go to my Netlify, and this is the front view dashboard of the Netlify. What I'll do is I'll go to the site and add new site and import an existing project and deploy with GitHub. We can choose GitLab, Bitbucket, anything. But I'm doing GitHub. So click on that and it will give us okay, so if you cannot see your application in here, just click on this and configure and select new repository. For this I'll select my this repository and save this, and I can see my repository here. If I click on this, I will be redirected to this here and deploy React application. So it's started. And our application is successfully published. If I go to this application, and we can see that our application is successfully created. and we can still see that our changes is not being reflected here. Then I'll go here, I'll add this, I'll make a commit, git push dash u version main, and here code has been successfully pushed. If I go over here and in here, I can go to my site overview. I can go to my here, and I can go to my here. So it's building and it's published. If I go over here and refresh this, we can see that our changes has been reflected again. So if you want to make another changes, what we can do is this my React application. I will make other changes to this web app. So I'll save this. I'll add this, commit, new changes, and I'll push this to the GitHub. So let's skip this, cancel. So in here, Control C, what I have to do is push that to origin, main, and here put your password. And it is being successfully deployed to our GitHub server. If I go over here and there, I think it will start. If I refresh this, you can see that it's building, uploaded, and it's published. If I go over here and I refresh this, so we can see the changes. I will make another changes to our changes have been successfully reflected. So this is how you can deploy your React application into Netlify as simply as that. And I think this is all for this video, and we'll see you in next video. And please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.